Here's how to fix iPhone 17 Pro Max camera or Face ID not working. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your iPhone and search for the Face ID options. And then afterwards, you will see the different options and you will be able to see their Face ID and attention. What you need to do is to make sure that the required attention for Face ID is turned on. Now you can go ahead and enter your passcode for you to be able to see more settings from this. You can also go ahead and turn it on once you decided to have more required attention for Face ID option. Now the next thing that you can do is make sure that the haptic is on successful authentication for us to be able to make sure that all apps that requires Face ID will work on our end. The next thing that we are going to do is we can go ahead and search for the shutdown option. Make sure that after doing all the changes or the toggle buttons that we turn it on and off will be able to work. Shut it down and see if it's already working on your end.